I'm so passionate about Eminence Organic Skincare that I really want to make sure I can get to as many people as I can to tell them about the product line and to make sure that they get results finally from skincare. So Eminence is really a results-driven product line, and I always feel that when I sell a product to a customer, I don't feel like I'm necessarily selling a product, but I feel like I'm giving them the best advice and the best products available on the market. I started the facial room in 2000 with Eminence Organic Skincare. So my business is built on this brand. Eminence had just come to North America in 2000, and I met Boldejar and Attila at the spa convention in Vancouver. And amongst a sea of different skincare companies selling their line, Eminence stood out to me. I was Eminence's first online retailer in 2009 and one of the very first retailers in general in 2000. When I launched the facial room in 2000, I quickly became known as the Eminence Lady. Once I started using Eminence in my treatment room, it was just so apparent to me that the products were able to give the results that my customers had always wanted but never really got. And what I have found to this day is Eminence produces instant results on the skin, and I never have to worry about irritations or any negative side effects with Eminence. That is one of the comforts of using the product line in my treatment room, partly because I was using the Eminence product and seeing the results that the facials were providing to my customers. It just made me so excited to be able to finally give my customers the results they've been looking for.